How to delete automation in iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off or delete automation in iPhone. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to turn off or delete automation in iPhone, you need to simply go ahead and open up the Shortcuts app first. Once you open up Shortcuts, you want to simply tap on the automation option at the bottom middle of your screen. Once you're here, you'll be able to find the automation. So I don't have any automation, so I'll just open up new automation here. So as you can see, the automation is here. What you can do is you can simply on the automation, you want to tap and swipe to the right. Once you do so, you'll see the delete option right there. You can tap on delete and it'll be deleted. So this is how you can easily delete an automation in iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.